Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nawaz IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss about Wireshark. What is Wireshark, how we can download it and how we can install it on our laptop. Okay, so first we have to open that Google Chrome. Okay, type www.google.com. Once it's open, please search Wireshark download for Windows. Once we click on that, there was a first option. You can see the Wireshark download. Click on that Wireshark download. Okay, and there was an option Windows 64 installer. There was a couples of OS. You can select which OS you want to download. We are using Windows 64 installer. Then we are going to download Windows Wireshark. Okay, just I click on that. After that, it is start downloading. You can see from here it's start downloading. Once download complete, we will install this software on my laptop. Okay, so definitely we will check how we can install it. Okay, so just wait for the download complete. Okay, you can see there was a 82.5 MB the Wireshark package size. Okay, so we can open where it's downloaded. Okay, uh, we will select that file and run as administrator. We have to accept that we are going to install this package. Click on yes. You can see there was the option to click on the next to install the Wireshark. We have to click on that next. There was some license information. You can click on the noted. Click on the next. We don't do anything. We have to click on the next. There's option what you want. You can ignore it. Click on the next. Do you want to the Wireshark icon will be reflect on the desktop? So you have to click on that. Click on after that. Click on the next. Where it's installed. So definitely on the C drive program files on the Wireshark folder. We have to click on the next. What the space required on the drive where you want to install, it will be already clearly mentioned. Space required to say 261 MB, and we have the available space 55.5 GB. Okay, we have to click on the next. Click on the next. Uh, it will be if already is added, you have to click on the install. You have to wait. It just start installing. So we have to wait for a few minutes. It will be take near about 1 minutes. After that, we have to accept that license. Click on agreed. Click on install. Don't require to checkbox of the all one. Okay, click on the install. It's completed. We have to click on the next. Finish. Once we click on the next, it's finished. Once I click on the finish, the installation has been completed, and you can see the Wireshark is successfully installed on my laptop. When I click on that, it will be open. You can see the Wireshark software is successfully installed on my laptop and it's successfully open. Okay. Thanks for watching my channel, Nawaz IT Solution. Please subscribe my channel. I will upload how we can capture the logs via Wireshark on the next video. So please wait for my next video. Thanks for watching.